Hello, how are you? Fine? Excellent. Today we are going to practice our spelling. Here we go. Open your book to page number 23, spelling lesson 3. Okay, it's time for your dictation. You have 10 words, so pay attention because you just hear 8 words. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just 8 words. So pay attention, please. Okay, here we go.
Lesson 3. The words you will hear are not necessarily in the same order as the ones in the book. Watch out for the missing word. Bear, bear. Paw, paw. Winter, winter. Rain, rain. Wet, wet. Race, race. Windy, windy. Window, window.
Okay, great. I know that you did a great job. But if you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. And remember, your attitude determines your direction. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.